Guys, we can use any variable in the master tool to make n comparisons and create logics. We will be comparing the result of the division made previously. So let's take a comparison block. I will enable this block with true. We will compare the result underline div with a variable called eq2. And the output of this block I'm going to put also an output. And I'm going to call it is equal to indicate that this value is equal to my result of my division. I'm going to perform login. The result of my division is getting the value 200 through the division that I'm doing in this block of 100 by 0.5. I can, for example, compare this value. Now I see it's 200, I'm comparing it to 0, so they're not equal. This parameter will only be enabled when these two values are equal, so that I can change to 200. The result is equal. So it already confirms the validation of my block. Now if I change this value to 201, this block becomes no longer true and waits until I have the values equal again. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.